In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a page to other spaces in your workspace. This is really useful when a page was created in the wrong place, or when your project changes teams and you want your documentation to follow it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to move any page to the correct space without breaking a sweat. First, start by opening the page that you want to move. Make sure you're on the actual page view, not just looking at it from a list or search results. It helps to quickly double check that this is really the page you want to move, especially if you have several pages with similar titles. Look at the content, confirm it's the right one, and then we're ready to go. Next, move your mouse to the top right corner of the page. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is often called the More Actions menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with additional options for the page. This menu is where most of the page-level actions live, like copying, archiving, exporting, and of course, moving the page. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Move. The wording may be just Move, and it usually has an icon indicating movement or relocation. Click on Move. This will open a dialog box or panel that lets you choose where the page should go. Now you'll see a set of options where you can select the destination space for this page. There may also be fields for choosing a parent page or a specific location within that space, but the key part here is the space selector. Click the space drop down and browse through the list of available spaces in your workspace. Take your time to select the correct space, especially if you have similarly named ones, like multiple project or team spaces. Once you've selected the new space and you're happy with the destination, look for